There we go. I did it. Yeah, I'll have to get it in here. Get in here and compress a little bit. That'll compress the piston. There we go. That's in the back of it. With a hook. That's it. Okay, good. Plus I got a light on it. Yep, you see it right down. See right down on it. Just started. This one's fine. The outside definitely got the best of it and just started to grab. Thank God. Gotta cut that in time. Woo! It just started to bite on that, but got sliders on it. The new ones. New bolt. New on here. Inside. Tire. Inside. Got these little lifts here. One side's higher than the other. I noticed. Okay, so outside, because the outside is higher. How's that? Can't be right. Huh. It is. Where's the inside? Appears at the inside. Oh, I see. Yep. All right. Outside. Okay. So outside's got the higher. Got the higher. I think that was inside. Huh. Appears it was on the outside though. It's showing it on the top. Alright, let me get some grease on that though. Yeah, down there. I'll say right. Right on that. Appears to make that effect on this one. It would be this set. Identical to this one here. Okay. What's up here? Yeah. Yeah, because this one that came off of here, your squeaky machine, your squeaker is on the bottom. In this case, let you know when you're down. Down to it. replace my freaking... Oh, terrific. No. Yeah, it just happens to be CRC. Which is the same stuff I just stuck in the... They've got a... they've got an emissions cleaner now. So you can use the new so I'm trying that in this as well to see if it's you see if it's see if it'll clean that up. Alright, let's get compress that piston. Press the piston. So ones. There you go. Nice, my brake hoses are good. In good shape. And, okay. A little more on it than that. Yeah, no, it is. Okay. Press that piston. Just back on. And you got. Said she heard it, and then it went away. It was and she heard it squealing pretty bad, and then all of a sudden it quit. Well, that's why, because there's your squealer right there, and it broke off. So that's why it got quiet again. Because she thought she heard when it was squealing on the caliper, time to replace it, and then it broke off. And then it went away. Because she said it was squealing pretty. It was squealing pretty bad. And that explains it. Normally I do both same time, but this is also the side I got to do the good old caliper on too. That don't seem right. Usually, yeah, it's got to look that's a little taller. So actually, these pads were put on wrong. You want to see how you got your higher mountain right here than you do right there. Well, you look in here, you got a lower mountain in here and a higher mountain there. So these need to be turned around. And that's probably why they wore so quick. So these need to be turned around. Hanging that, but it's on the moving. So. These, I need the other pair. Because that scratcher should be at the bottom. Don't think much about it. Okay. Because your taller one, you scratch it, but the scratcher should be at the bottom. So those got turned around. Turned around wrong. That's alright. Because that means it was putting too much pressure. It was putting too much pressure. See how this one is still good? And this other one wore down. This was being put, there's too much pressure put on this thing, so it wasn't releasing like it should. Alright. It might work a little bit better now. Lower. Why they make things do what they do, I don't know. But, glad I caught it. There we go. Right. There we go. Alright, now you get the higher mountain going to the higher area and the lower mountain going to the lower mountain. There we go. And oh yeah, make sure your slider bolts are not okay. Good. Yeah, that one's working good. Here's it was working fine other than that discrepancy there. Yep, we're good. Alright, let's get back together. These actually have a wrench head on the inside. Okay. Well, I haven't had a chance to look at the other one, but you know that's about halfway done. So if the other one was put together right, I think maybe. Turn it on, I gotta get a nut. There, not here.